you ever feel you want to please me? It's very easy, just get down on your knees. Do you ever feel like we drifted apart? You want me inside you, but fear I'll pierce your heart. Do you ever feel like I go too deep, 6 feet inside you and I don't seem to feel a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? You can please me, even if I can't screw the life out of your vagina. Just open wide and take me inside. My load is like a firework. Come on, take all my girth. Make me go, oh, oh, oh. When I see you going down, my load is like a firework. Come on, take all my girth. Make me go, when I shoot it in your eye. You don't have to think about your ugly face. I got a paper bag to take its place. You don't have to think, is your mouth big enough? You just need to suck the tip for me to nut. Maybe your reason why you think all the girls are hoes, because you ain't never had yourself a big ol' load. Like Chernobyl, your head will explode, and when it's done you'll know that I should've screwed the life out of your vagina. 'Cause I nut so hard I blew out your mind. My love is like a firework. Come on, take all my girth. Make me go, when I see you going down. My load is like a firework. Come on, take all my girth. Make me go, when I shoot it in your eye. Boom, boom, boom. My love filled the whole room. You tried to keep it inside you, but it had to bust through. My load is like a firework. Come on, take all my girth. Make me go, when I see you going down. My love is like a firework. Come on, take all my girth. Make me go, when I shoot it in your eye. Boom, boom, boom. My love filled the whole room. Boom, boom, boom. My love filled the whole room.